Hi there. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about property taxes. If you own a property, you're probably familiar with them, but maybe not all the details. I'll try to explain everything as clearly as possible in this short video. Before we get started, be sure you give this video a like and subscribe to the Barton Realty channel for more great real estate content. Property taxes in America have been around since colonial times when the British government imposed them on colonists. The revenue generated was used to pay for the costs of defending and maintaining the colonies. After the American Revolution, property taxes became a way for state and local governments to raise revenue. Over time, property taxes became an essential part of local government finance. They were used to fund public schools, infrastructure, and other essential services. The amount of property tax owed was usually based on the value of the property, so those with more valuable properties paid more. Today, property taxes remain a crucial source of revenue for local governments across America. While they may be a burden for some, they allow us to enjoy the benefits of essential services like roads, schools, and emergency services. But how do property taxes actually work? Well, the amount you owe in property taxes is based on the assessed value of your property. This value is determined by your local government, usually by a tax assessor or a similar official. They'll take into account things like the size of your property, its location, recent improvements you have made, and the value of any buildings or other structures on it. Once the assessed value of your property has been determined, it's multiplied by the tax rate in your area. This tax rate is set by your local government, and it can vary depending on a number of factors. For example, if your area has a lot of public services or infrastructure to maintain, the tax rate might be higher. Now, let's talk about how you can pay your property taxes. There are a few options available, depending on where you live. One common option is to pay your property taxes through an escrow account. An escrow account is a special account set up by your mortgage lender to hold funds for property taxes and insurance premiums. Each month, when you make your mortgage payment, a portion of that payment is set aside in your escrow account to cover your property taxes. When your property tax bill is due, your mortgage lender will pay the bill from your escrow account on your behalf. This can be a convenient option for many homeowners, as it helps spread out the cost of property taxes throughout the year. However, it's important to keep in mind that you're still responsible for ensuring that your property taxes are paid on time, even if you pay through an escrow account. You should review your escrow statement regularly to make sure that enough funds are being set aside to cover your property tax bill. If you have any questions or concerns about your escrow account, you should contact your mortgage lender for assistance. And that's it. I hope this video helped you understand a little bit more about property taxes and how you can pay them. Jessica will be releasing a more in-depth video about paying property taxes, specifically in Central Indiana, in the future, so be sure to sign up for notifications for when new videos are released. If you have any questions you want her to cover, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, be sure you give it a like and subscribe to the Barton Realty channel for more great real estate content.